Hi, we are Therma and have a cool idea to save energy and money with drones, AI, and integrating with BIM and CMMS. Recent years, building information modeling, BIM, and computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS, have emerged as powerful tools in the construction and facility management industries. However, the utilization of BIM and CMMS has primarily been focused on traditional areas such as architectural design, engineering, and facility management. Therma has identified an untapped opportunity by leveraging BIM and CMMS in the field of thermal inspection, unlocking new possibilities and driving innovation in the industry. Therma has integrated BIM and CMMS into its drone-based thermal inspection solution to extend their benefits beyond their traditional applications and expanded their usage into energy efficiency assessments, building performance optimization, infrastructure monitoring, and predictive maintenance. This strategic move enables Therma to offer a comprehensive solution that goes beyond mere thermal inspection. Combining BIM and CMMS with drone-based thermal inspection brings Therma value propositions, as it represents a groundbreaking innovation in the industry. Therma is a drone and software solution that detects and prevents energy loss in buildings using thermal imaging and AI. Therma scans your building with cameras, finds the defects, diagnoses the problem, and suggests solutions. Therma gives you a real-time report with all the details you need to fix the issue. Therma is fast, accurate, and non-invasive. Therma has a scalable business model that allows us to offer both inspection services and drone and software sales. We can serve different customers with different needs by offering both complete solutions and customized options. Our target market encompasses a wide range of stakeholders who own and manage diverse types of buildings and energy facilities, all of which require efficient and accurate thermal inspections. Our technology helps our customers save energy, money, and CO2 emissions. The global market for thermal imaging is growing fast and has a lot of potential. Increasing demand for energy efficiency, advancements in drone technology, integration of BIM and CMMS, market gap and competitive advantage, regulatory compliance and industry standards. Therma has a competitive edge in this market by offering a cost-effective, high-quality, and fully autonomous solution that can perform inspections in various conditions. Our go-to-market strategy, GTM, is centered around building brand awareness, developing strategic partnerships, offering exceptional customer service through sales and distribution channels, and continuously improving our services to meet the needs of our clients. Our team consists of experts in drone design, software development, data analysis, thermal imaging, and business management. Therma is a drone and software solution for thermal inspection that offers a unique value proposition for customers who want to improve their infrastructure performance. At Therma, we believe that sustainability is not only a moral duty, but also a strategic advantage. Our goal is to become the leading provider of thermal inspection solutions that not only help our clients reduce their energy consumption, carbon footprint, and environmental impact, but also, we are committed to minimizing our negative impacts and maximizing our positive impacts by adopting sustainable practices throughout our operations from design to manufacturing and delivery. We are confident that we can create jobs and growth with our startup idea. We have an innovative technology, a scalable business model, a large market opportunity, and a competent team. We appreciate your support.